Good morning, friends. I have just pulled into Trader Joe's. I've never been to this grocery before, simply because it's quite a hike from my house. Anyway, I want to find some charcuterie items for a little party I'm hosting this evening. So let's head inside and see what Trader Joe's is all about. So many of you have recommended this store to me, so I'm really happy to make a new discovery. And what I'm discovering right now are beautiful, beautiful flowers. Wow, beautiful flowers at beautiful prices. Wow, they have roses, $8.99 for a dozen. That's amazing. And apparently they get flowers here. I think they are delivered every day or every other day. So here is my initial impression of Trader Joe's. The vibe here is the polar opposite of that of my local supermarket. It's a cheerful and even joyful atmosphere. I'm not surprised that people love to shop at this store. This is beautiful eucalyptus, only $3.99. That is a steal. This is stock. It's beautifully perfumed. I should grow this in my garden next year. This is only $4.99. Well, I'm impressed with the flower department. Shopping. Let's see. Wait, everybody stops at the flowers.
Yeah.
It has been said that Trader Joe's breaks every rule of modern retail. They do not offer sales, coupons, or loyalty programs. In other words, there are no gimmicks here. Most of Trader Joe's inventory features the Trader Joe's brand. By bypassing most name brands and enforcing a rigorous tasting panel process, they ensure high-quality, clean ingredient foods without the markup of major brands. The savings are passed on to Trader Joe's customers, and I appreciate that. They have their own brand of shelled edamame. I might buy this. Total carbs, 10 grams. Dietary fiber, 6 grams. I am going to buy this. Oh, steamed lentils. I'm going to buy steamed lentils. Also going to grab, just as a convenience item, these steamed lentils, ready to eat warm or cold. This might be delicious. They have their own brand of kimchi and sauerkraut, guacamole. I usually make my own hummus, but today I'm going to take the easy road and buy this Trader Joe's Mediterranean style hummus for our charcuterie tonight. They have all these different chicken salads. This is curry chicken salad. I think I might buy a hothouse or English cucumber, turn it into those little cucumber cups, and fill them with the curry chicken salad. The English cucumbers, there they are, okay. Cucumber. Oh, we have chicken asada, heat and serve, chicken enchiladas, stuffed poblano peppers, pulled chicken salsa verde. Oh, these look terrific. Of course, these are all convenience foods. I've heard really good things about Trader Joe's pizza sauce, so I'm going to buy some today. $2.69. I'm going to be doing a big food prep day later this week. I need milk. Look, they have coconut creamer. Oh, this is amazing. They also have organic whole milk. This is great. Also, for the food prep video, I need cottage cheese and cream cheese. I want full fat. I think, is this full fat? It's cheese. Cream cheese. I love Kerrygold butter, and it's actually less expensive here at Trader Joe's than it is at my local supermarket. Let me get 2 of these.
Absolutely correct.
Yeah, it is. Are you a Kerrygold fan?
I am. I love it.
I do too. The salted one.
I like both.
They say you should never grocery shop when you are hungry, but I am hungry. They have these really cool probiotic juice shots. This is pineapple. I ended up hosting friends for Charcuterie on the following evening, and I filmed the whole party for you so that you can see how I incorporated the Trader Joe's haul. I hope you will watch that video. For the charcuterie board, I need a hard cheese, a soft cheese, and a semi-soft cheese. Is this cheddar?
Pre-sliced.
Yep. Sharp cheddar, conveniently pre-sliced. Hard cheese, hard cheese. Oh, port de salute. Oh, this is wonderful. I think instead of buying brie for the soft cheese, I'm going to buy this port de salute. Jalapeno Monterey Jack. I have to try this. I also need meats for the charcuterie. Let's see. And they have a lot of uncured meats, which is just great. We'll do this uncured uncured applewood smoked salami. I need prosciutto. I've never tried Breciola. I'm probably mangling the pronunciation. It's uncured beef prosciutto. I think this will be fun to put on the charcuterie board. I also need honey. How much is that? Oh, that's a good price. $7.49. This looks tempting. Pita bite crackers. We can add that to the charcuterie. I've heard that Trader Joe's has really great peanut butter, and here it is. Creamy and salted from unblanched peanuts. Ingredients: dry roasted peanuts. Here's an organic French baguette. I think I'm going to serve this with some of the garlic scape pesto that you and I made together in a previous episode. I'm also going to buy some ciabatta rolls. I have made ciabatta at home in the past, but I think I want these rolls so I can make panini in that Cuisinart griddler that someone gave to me. I'm almost out of olive oil, so I'm going to give Trader Joe's premium extra virgin olive oil a try.
We can add fig butter to the charcuterie board. Oh, okay, this is adorable. Meet the crew's pets. I love this. Oh, look at Cheddar. He's very sweet. Now, Rooster, Big Lou.
And Romeo the bunny.
Romeo the bunny. Ziggy. Having a good hair day. Trader Joe's has their own line of dog treats. Let's see if Avery likes these chicken breast strips. And for Goldie and Binky, my cats, they have Trader Joe's freeze-dried just salmon treats.
On a side note, when I returned home on this day, I let my pets taste test their Trader Joe's treats. Avery loved the chicken. Goldie loved the freeze-dried salmon, but Binky did not. And that was fine by Goldie, who simply walked over and stole Binky's treat.
The person who does my hair said that I should try leave-in conditioner. I'm going to buy it today. Now, one of you asked me if I have ever tried a moisturizing face mask. I have not, but I'm going to try one tonight. I'm not sure you will want to see me in this mask. Remember when I said you should never grocery shop when you are hungry? I am very hungry. I'm going to eat this in the car on the way home. It's Trader Joe's Rainbows and Trail Mix bars. So it's high protein. Going to be doing another afternoon tea video soon, and I think these sweet bites will look nice on the top tier of the tea stand. Tiramisu, oh my gosh, this is like danger. Ice cream sandwiches, these ice cream bonbons. Apparently, I am now in the most dangerous aisle at Trader Joe's. Look at all the frozen sweet treats. We have cheesecakes. We have, ooh, tres leches cake. Tempting. Macaron. Chocolate cheesecake bites. Lemon bars. Apple blossoms. Tiramisu. Yeah, I have to get out of this aisle. Ooh, oh, look at this. Apparently this mandarin orange bake and serve chicken is very popular. I'm going to give it a try. Again, it's a convenience food, but I'm the laziest person in the world. Teriyaki bowl, teriyaki chicken, oh, it's already done.
Ready to go.
Sushi. We even have barbecue pork fried rice. I have to buy this. Beef tamales. Ooh. And here is the world's largest chocolate bar. This is not coming home with me. Tortilla española, traditional Spanish omelet. Even have quiche Laurent. And they have frozen hash brown patties, which I think will be fun with fried eggs. I have never seen plantains available in any local supermarket. Trader Joe's has sweet, ripe plantains sliced and frozen. I always like to have frozen broccoli florets on hand, just for an emergency side dish. So this was my first time at Trader Joe's, and color me impressed. This was so much more fun than shopping at my regular local supermarket. I will come back. And I'm ready to check out because my cart is full. You know what? I have a big orange one like this.
Oh, that's right. Somebody had sent you that. Oh,
Yes,
no,
there. The purple is a much better color. Oh, this is heavy. My friends, once again, that was such a great shopping experience. And unlike at my local supermarket, there were no self-checkout stations. It's all human beings who are very friendly checking you out. And now I want to try one of these trail mix bars. Yum. So it's got a chocolate bottom, and then it has nuts, and it looks like little M&Ms in here. Really delicious.
And there's more good news. As you can see, a Costco is being constructed about 10 minutes away from Trader Joe's. I have never experienced a Costco in my life, but will gladly do so when the store opens on August 6th. I hope you will join me on that virgin voyage.
I've just moved the car to a shadier location, and then I'm going to head home to prepare the charcuterie. But I wanted to thank you for joining me today, as I got to learn what Trader Joe's is all about. And again, I was really impressed. So thank you for being here. Thank you for being you, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye for now, friends.